This is Jacoby eating some peas. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Wasn't that good? Do we like? Peas. Do you like peas? Would you take the spoon? You can have it all. Come on. Don't you like the peas? Peas are so good for you. I know you want the fruit. You want the fruit. You can't have the fruit yet. You gotta eat some peas. Here's some more peas. Okay. Do you want some pears? Here's pears. Oh, pears taste good. I like them. Jacoby likes pears. You want some more pears? Pears. Pears are good, aren't they? Shall we try some more peas? All right, here's the pears. Here's pears. Okay. Now comes the peas.